Hello, it's me, Davita. I'm sorta kinda making my way back. It's been ups and downs the last month or so. End of January, I had surgery on my left hand. The thumb joint, had a bone removed. So, of course, that took me out of commission. I'm slowly getting back into it. My grip is getting stronger, but in the pouring world, you gotta have two hands to pour. Well, one hand to pour, two hands to mix paint. You gotta hold that cup, stir it. So tonight I thought I would give it a try. It was painful, but the paint gods have been calling me. So here I am, back at it, trying to see if I can do a little something for you. So tonight I'm working on a 12 by 24 gallery wrap deep base canvas, and we're going to do a swipe. My colors for tonight are DecoArt's 24K and DecoArt's Coral, DecoArt's Espresso, DecoArt's Peridot green. Oh my God, I love this color. Ordered it a few months ago and really haven't used it. Thought I'd give it a try. We're going to throw in a little Amsterdam Pearl White as our swipe color on a black base. So I'm going to pan the camera down on the canvas and we're going to get this pour started. Okay, here we go. Fingers crossed. We're going to start off with the coral. And then with our Peridot green. Throw in some little of our, this is the Espresso. $24K gold. And our swiping color is going to be our Amsterdam's Pearl White. Alright, got my paper towels ready. And we're going to do a little wiggle wiggle right in the center. Placing it directly in the white. Wiggle wiggle. Let it rest just a bit, and swipe. And then I'm going to come over to this end. I'm going to go right into the white. Do a little wiggle. And let it rest about ½ an inch of the paper towel. And pull. Same on this side. And pull. Paper towels are pre-moistened, but if they feel like they're getting a little semi-dry, I just got a little squirt bottle water. I squirt them, and I go right back at it. We're going to go right in the white, do a little wiggle, rest it about ½ an inch of the paper towel, and pull. I haven't pulled a lot of white, but we're going to see how it develops. I'm going to go to this end, do a little wiggle wiggle, and pull. I'm going to put a little white down right here. Wiggle, wiggle. Let it lay down a little bit. And pull. Let's torch it a little. Really like this area right here. How that coral popped up through the white. And I'm not going to concern myself with the little splotches of black. I think that really gives the painting some character. But what I am going to do is, let's see if I can move the camera a little bit. I want to get this edge here. Let's see if I can just get a small piece and just kind of blend. See if I can move the camera just a little bit more. There. There we go. See if I can blend this little area right here to my little wiggle. And I just want to go right along the edge to break up that black there. And let's torch it. Now it looks like, oh God, it's really selling up nice. I'm going to look at it from this angle. It's a little off kilter, but let's see if there's enough paint on the canvas to tilt it this way a little. So I'm going to get my little stick here and see if I can lift it a little. Without distorting any of these cells. Let's see if that did anything. A little. Now it looks like we kind of lost some of our white right there. Just kind of even that out. Okay. I think I like it. I really love that coral and that Peridot together. Let's see if I could bring you in for a close-up. So we're looking at it from another perspective. And my favorite little area right there. Oh yes. Lovely. Okay. I want to thank you for spending a little time with me this evening, today, as I try to get back into the groove with this hand. I really like the way this turned out. I hope you like it. As I always say, stay safe, stay blessed. See you next pour. Bye.